Forgotten username recovery failed on Cash App Investing fix. If you've tried to recover your Cash App Investing username and hit a dead end, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong by assuming the process is instant or skipping key verification steps. The surprising truth is that with the right steps, you can regain access quickly and safely. Step 1. Open the Cash App and navigate to the Investing section, then tap Forgot Username or Trouble Logging In. Enter the email or phone number linked to your Cash App account. Cash App will send a recovery email or text containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check every email folder, including spam, junk, and promotions. Many users miss the recovery email because it gets filtered automatically. Avoid sending multiple recovery requests too quickly, as this can temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email or phone number is no longer active, prepare verification details like your full name, date of birth, and recent transaction information. Contact Cash App support directly with these details. Providing a linked debit card or account number can speed up verification and help you regain access faster. Step 4. Once your username is recovered, store it safely in a password manager or a secure note. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring your investments remain secure. By following these steps carefully, you can regain access to your Cash App Investing account efficiently. Remember, proper verification and secure credential management are key to keeping your funds and investments safe.